Pakistan, the land of great Indus civilization, the land of brave warriors and soldiers, the land of diversity and beauty, the land of art, music, and colors, the land of thinkers, intellectuals, scientists, great teachers, Sufi masters, and scholars, the land of magnificent prose and poetry. On this very land, in the heart of Sindh, in Nowshera Feroz, our star of Sindhi short stories, Sir Abdul Hamid Memon, son of Muhammad Ismail Memon, was born on 12th of October 1939. A living legend, Professor Abdul Hamid Memon, alias Hamid Sindhi, is a sociologist, an administration and management specialist, equality education enhancement specialist, an academician, a historian, and above all, a great writer. He did his bachelor's in economics as well as his master's from University of Sindh in the years 1960-1963. After his LLB in 1963, he also went ahead and did an advanced course later in 1975 on higher educational administration from Manchester University, United Kingdom. He started his career as a publicity officer in 1960. He served in the banking sector for 3 years, holding positions starting from bank officer, ending up as a general manager. Later, at the University of St. Jamshoro in 1970 to 1977, holding various positions. He had started as an administrative officer, and finally when he left University of St. Jamshoro, he was a registrar. For 11 years, he was a principal at Public School Hyderabad Education Department, Government of Sindh, for the years 1978 to 1989. 1976 to 1989, he was also Director College Education, Education Department, Government of Sindh. Later, he became the Vice Chancellor for Sindh Agriculture University, Tandurjam in the year 1991. From 1991 to 1995, he was the Vice Chancellor for Shah Abdul Latif University, Khairpur. In the year 1996, he was the Director, Bureau of Curriculum and Extension, Jamshoro. In 1997, he became the Chairman of Sindhi Language Authority, Hyderabad. And finally, in 1998, he retired as a Chairman for Sindh Textbook Board, Jamshoro. Sir Hamid Sindhi has written many books. Some of his major works are Simi, collection of short stories, Udas Vadyun, Vidyum, Soni Zanjeer, Ari Achan Shal, collection of research articles on Sachal Sarmas, Dard Vandiya Jo Des, Rana J. Rajput, and some of the books that he compiled and edited on the subject of the research study of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai's poetry include the following: Sur Leela Chanesa, Sur Ghatu, Sur Kamod, Sur Marvi, Sur Kapaiti, Sur Bilawal, Sur Ramkali, Sur Kahori, Sur Karayal, Sur Brov, Sur Sarang. His international exposure includes participation in higher educational administration course from Manchester University, United Kingdom, year 1975. Attending Higher Educational and University Administrators Conference as member delegate held at Maryland University, Universities of Commonwealth Countries, USA. Attending a Vice Chancellor's Conference at Delhi, organized by the Association of Universities of Commonwealth Countries. Attending a conference in Tehran as per invitation of Government of Iran. Attending a conference of Vice Chancellors at Swansea, United Kingdom, organized by the Association of Universities of Commonwealth. Admiring his great services, various public and private entities awarded Hamid Sindhi with several awards and honors, including Tamgha-e-Imtiaz, awarded by the Government of Pakistan on 23 March 1990. Eazaz-e-Fazilat, awarded by Government of Pakistan on 28 August 1993. Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai Awards 1981 for his book Vidyum, Pakistan Academy of Letters, Islamabad. Sindhology Adabi Award 1981 for his book Vidyum, Institute of Sindhology, Jamshoro. Pakistan Writers Guild Awards 1981 for his book Vidyum. Gold Medal Award as an Educationist awarded by Latif Adabi Sangat, Karachi. Latif Award 1990 on Literature awarded by Bitsha Cultural Center, Bitsha. Award and prize on the book Rana J. Rajput, awarded by National Book Foundation in the year 1995. Sir Hamid Sindhi wrote a large number of articles on the subject of education and literature in English, Urdu, and Sindhi. He had been the editor and associate editor of magazines in Sindhi such as Monthly Roo Rehan, Monthly Marvi, Weekly Marvi, Latif Digest, and Nai Zindagi. As an event organizer, he organized in-service orientation course for college teacher in the year 1977 and 1978. At the University of Sindh, sponsored by University Grants Commission as Director in Service Orientation course. He also organized Sindhi Drama Festival, Century Celebration held in the year 1980 as convener and organizer. He also organized and arranged seminars on literary personalities of the country such as Mirza Khalid Beg, Dr. Daud Poto, and Sheikh Ayaz. Currently, he is a visiting professor and member teaching faculty for law at the Institute of Law, University of Sindh. He is the member of Board of Law Faculty of Law Colleges, Member Affiliation Committee for Law Colleges, University of Sindh. And on a regular basis, at present he organizes Bazme-Roo Rehan at his residence in Hyderabad. We take the opportunity to see him in person.
I am Hamid Sindhi. I am resident of Nowshera Feroz. Nowshera Feroz is a center of Saiti, and therefore many literary people are born in Nowshera Feroz, many people, near Nowshera and other places also, Khai Qasim, Khai Kunda, and also Tarusha. So these are near to Nowshera Feroz, and Nowshera Feroz has a big teaching institution of Madrasa High School, which was actually established, that school, by father of Zafar Shah, grandfather. This area and Jatoi people, Ghulam Rasool Jatoi was also at that time district Nawab Shah, and this was subdivision. But what I think that Nowshera Feroz was not in a way deliberately chosen by the God that Hamid should be born in that city particularly. So what I feel is that was his kindness, that he actually sent me over there in Nosharo, in the family of Seth family. Seth family, and my mother said that at that time the stars were actually going off. In a way, those stars were disappearing in the sky. That was a period of early morning. So I have also written a story on that also, when there are no stars in the sky. So this is actually happy moments also. In that Haveli, I actually grew up, and definitely I have very, very good memories of Nosharo Feroz, and I love Nosharo Feroz as if it is a symbol of Sindh. So how much I can explain those all memories, but slowly and gradually, definitely, I'll let you know. You are son of my friend Yava, Zafar Kazmi. How can I hide any fact from Zafar Kazmi? And he knew all about myself. So, actually, I do remember the education in small madrasa, and I do remember that when Mullah Maktab, that was called Mullah Maktab. So, Mullah who used to teach us, I was a small kid having the no books, but that they used to call it patti, and where we used to write in that. So, patti and slate also. So we used to go there. So there was in the nearby, in the market, there was Naumal, who used to bring moong ji dal, moong's dal, moong dal, and the sholas. So they used to combination and find. And but I'm sorry to say this, that Maulana used to tell me that Baba, because on this finger, it was actually, I was told that you can eat with your finger. But little used to come to my mouth, and he took away all, and he said, "Let me show you how it is how it is eaten." So this was funny moments remembered, and then slowly and gradually. But my education actually originally started from high school Johi, first standard, then Gadi Khairo, first, second standard, and then primary standard, then later on after fourth there was a first standard. So this is actually, so in Gadi Khairo also, I have a story about that teacher who used to take care of me, because I used to live with my father alone. And then later on, whole family was also, that family members came to Jacobabad. Karpur, then Sakhar, Dadu, wherever father used to be posted, father used to take family with him, and we used to pass that time in that city where he was posted. But I'm of the opinion also that he did good to other children also. There were 5 sisters, my sisters, and 2 brothers. So all total we were 7 children. It was not a small family, but definitely father, though he was very, very strict and honest person. At that time, officers used to be strict and honest. Otherwise, no money transaction, which nowadays is menace, which I think today is a menace of the society is corruption. So then I reached at Hyderabad, and I feel it. I'm again proud, but in intervals on Eid occasions and in intervals also I used to go to my village, particularly in hot season when vacation was actually a notification of vacation was issued. In Hyderabad, when I was actually studying in matric, I passed matriculation examination. So when I used to go to school, because also I gave matric from government high school, Sindh University examination. So I used to see a person sitting in a small room, and that person was none other but Parvanu Bhatti. He was actually editing a magazine section of Hilal Pakistan. So I do remember that. So I used to go to him and I gave him an article at that time when I was in matriculation examination. I passed matriculation and then I gave it to him. He published it. And then slowly and gradually, because my whole family, even my uncles, my Haveli, residents of Haveli, cousins of my father, all were literary people. And in our Otak देखा है उनमें मानव गज्जी बयान कचहरी kan. In our Otak, some magazines used to come at that time also. Those magazines were Firdos, Asanji Manzil, and many other writers used to translate those books, Jasusi Chakkar and etc. etc. So this also, and characters, I do remember still those characters, Arsene Lopan and others. So I used to read there, then I used to again started write. And first of all, actually, I got a setback. When I was in college, then Sindh University BA, but I was in college when I took a good article and went to Sindhi Adbi Sangat. So it was being held at Jamal Rin's place, near small room. So, stalwart people were sitting, Muhammad Ibrahim, Joyo, Grami Saab, Ghulam Muhammad Grami, many other people, and I read that article. Grami Saab said, Baba, तू हाणे वञी रेडियो ते सदाकारी कर, तुंहिंजे वस जो कलम न आहे तुंहिंजे वस जो. That also again gave me a courage which is the start of writing one book that is called See Me. And at that time we used to receive hardly little money from father, or I used to also have later on in this also that when I started Rurian magazine, prior to that I used to uh, go for labor work in regarding gravel reti bajri jo kam. So gravel and other, also I used to buy the wooden material also and then sell on little bit more price. Having a day means 7-8 rupees. I wrote another story. Then that another story and Sindhiyat bi Sangat ke Salana ja Ijlas thinda. We used to be in Basanthal at that time. Chachandurian the poiji gala. So this is Uneme Pumam I read that my story, Karo Rath. Black blood. Karo Rath. People were astonished at that time. And also they liked the story. Grami Sahaba muke chayo, Ma de muke de chora ya muke de. I was young boy. Muke de ya Ma story Mehran mein chapindo. मुझे सही माँ ते रेडियो ते वञा तो सदाकारी करण. So po Haran Makere, story was appreciated. Prior to that also, as I told you that a book See Me was also published in a way. असां पंहिंजी ख़र्ची मां ॿियनि मां हिननि मां गॾु करे आस्ते आस्ते मूंखे क्रेज़ हूंदो हुओ रिसाला वठणु बुक्स वठणु ऐं हीअ जेको आहे आस्ते आस्ते मूं जॾहिं लेबर शुरू कयो ऐं अर्न शुरू कयो महिनत कई त मां त पछाड़ी प्रेस में मशीनियूं बि हलायूं नाइट शिफ्ट वो आई यूज़ टू गेट ₹21. So at that time it was actually living was hard enough. It was not easy one. My father used to take care of whole family and his brothers also, who were never loyal to him. But after my father's father, my grandfather, his name was Abdul Hamid. So my father also gave me this name, and Abdul Hamid. So, and he took care of other sons of this family, and plus our family. It was actually double burden. It was not easy to take. So we used to get very little money as a kharchi. But I had to then, I told my father, when I was studying in honors, I told him that, Father, I will earn myself. Because at that time, my father was transferred to Dadu as Deputy Commissioner. He was here Assistant to Commissioner at Hyderabad. So this is actually, there were inspiring moments, many inspiring moments which I do remember, because if I, nowadays, because I cannot write because of some tremors in my hand also. At that time also, it was, as I told you, that it was not easy. Education was not easy. Fee ॾींदो, ॿियनि जी फी ॾींदो, त you can imagine that उन जी पघार जेका आहे 9,000 रुपया पघार हूंदी हुई at that time. Father, when he was transferred, then he handed over in a way my position in a way to Abdullah Jana Sahab and Begum Abdullah Jana. Here Salim Chana is sitting from their family also. I appreciate whatever they were in a way kind to me. And it was because of them that असां ॿिए हंधि लूणो आहियूं ई कोन. So Begum Chana said, Baba, and Chana Sahab said, he kitab kabat bharel हुआ. He said, Baba, हिननि खे पी वञ. And I actually, waqai, at that time, I used to study in the morning, and then in the afternoon I used to go to Sindh University for education purpose. There was a friend of mine, Aftab. Aftab used to be with us. So he saw my hand. He says, Ma, he त अलाए घणियूं लाइनूं चेंज कंदो, रेल जी पटड़ी वांगुरु चेंज पियो कंदो. So वाकई, it was not a one path. I had to labor hard for my family also. Once I do remember that Begum Chana, when I used to go in the afternoon, so once she said, let me see how much there is in your pocket. Chana, Abdullah Chana Sahab, Chana, Deputy Commissioner jo putru, charana khise mein pya tha. That was the time also. My wife is telling me, कॾहिं कॾहिं चईं त असां दॿनि में कुझु न हूंदो त बि हीअं ठक ठक करे कीअं, पर ॿाहिरों असां इहो ज़ाहिर कंदासीं त असां सेठियूं फैमिली जा माण्हू आहियूं. Even at that time also, because it was at that time a setback for Sethum family, Seth family. Those people were actually traders, having trade with India. So these people actually had a lot of loss in this business. My grandfather died, and therefore my father came into service as a clerk. So from that, he actually he rise together, and then later on, as I told you, that he actually was deputy commissioner. Then he retired as additional deputy commissioner. So it was not easy to. I never felt easy in my family, because suppose my uncles, suppose other family members also, my sisters, my other people, they also objected that, and my uncles objected, why you are writing? Baba, he to lofaran jo kama, tahan he kehde paase achi viya ayo? तो मुंहिंजो हिकिड़ो अंकल हो, चई बाबा लोफर थियो पियो आहे, बाबे खे चई. But when it was a dawn, when it was revealed in a way inside that I can write books together, I can speak for hours together, I can also write and also produce and publish the books, and I can run the press, operate the press also. It was actually in a way dawned to me that there are plenty of not only knowledge, but plenty of material inside taking birth. Today, though I feel it, I'm telling you, Yavar, that this is actually now, this life is ending. I feel it, because I have no much time. This is very good of you that you came, and I have and gave me a chance that I should speak, because I feel it that people don't bother and care.
It's an
People,
honor for me, sir.
and no, this is it is honor for you. But what the people I have seen, that they don't bother to read whatever the material I produced in a way.
जिंदगी रुन सजी मां उन्यायल पखी जिंदगी रुन सजी मां उन्यायल पखी डंड पानी किथे काई छाव दसो डंड पानी किथे काई छाव दसो कुछ त ईंदा कयो के त गालियूं कयो शाम जो ही पहर नाव सां कयो शाम जो ही पहर.
And in a way, the main observation right now pointed out by Salim Channa also, I must tell you regarding a milestone, that is the Ruh Rehan. Ruh Rehan was not, in a way, one night's dream, or it was not a dream even, but I said, no, I will do it. Because I was always working in the presses, used to see the material and proofs, etc., doing every work, whatever I used to get. Then I was in, first of all, in village aid, I was actually a small officer there in village aid. Then I served that. Then I served in banks. I served at many places, and not even served, but also labored hard that I should keep Ruh Rehan alive. It was not easy to take out that magazine in those days when there were government was there very, very tough and hard, and martial law days. I do remember when there was a ban actually put on issuance of this magazine. So twice, thrice, I must tell you one thing. Recently, I got some information from encyclopedia, and that has been included in my recent book also, but it is no more there, because that information, whatever the people have written about Ruh Rehan Jashan, they have mentioned it, that only Hamid Sindhi was to give the money and kharcha pani baba ai halaindo, baki kam bya kada. सखर मां वेठे अयाज़ कंदो हो, हलाईंदो, एडिट कंदो हो मैगज़ीन, ऐं ॿियो जोयो साहब कंदो हो, अलाए किथे पोस्टेड हूंदो, या असांजो रसूल बख्श पलीचो साहब. इट वॉज माई बेबी. आई हैड टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट बेबी. हुनखे तकलीफ़ न पहुचे किथे बि. आई फॉट इन हाई कोर्ट्स एंड माई एडवोकेट वॉज, उन में बि ग़लति ॼाणायल आहे त जज हो अब्दुल हई कुरैशी साहब, पोइ जस्टिस थियो, पर पहिरियों ई मुंहिंजो वकील हो. 2-3 केसिस डिफेमेशन जो केस मूं कयो दाख़िल, त आई नेवर अलाउड देम. ही महिराण जो एडिटर हो, ॿियो सखर जा वॾा वापारी, दे रोट अगेंस्ट Ayaz, Fatah and other people also, and said रूरियाण हिननि जो. मुंहिंजो रूरियाण जो नालो खणंदो मां तव्हांखे घुटो ॾींदुमि. मां हिते डिफेमेशन जो केस दाख़िल कयो. जमाल अबड़ो साहब जज हो. पोइ उहे जेके वापारी उतां ईंदा उहे चवंदा ओ भाउ, ओ मेमण भाउ, उहे वापारी हूंदा हिन जा पंहिंजो कपिड़े जा, सो खिलंदा त पोइ चवंदा साईं असांखे जान छॾाए. पोइ हिननि वरी क्वैशमेंट ऑफ द प्रोसीडिंग्स दे हैड टू फाइल इन द हाई कोर्ट. बट एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो वॉज एक्सेप्टेड दैट असांजो हिसबाणी साहब हो हाई कोर्ट जो जज, न चीफ जस्टिस हो एट दैट टाइम. त उहो जेको जज हो उन पोइ बाक़ाइदे जेके आया चेंबर में वेठा हुआसीं, वकील साहब ॿुधायो हुनखे सॼो हीअ आहे, त हुननि खे बि चयईं हिनखे महिराण वारो जेको एडिटर हो, जंहिं सॼो इनिशिएट कयो हो पंहिंजो सरदार अली शाह, उन चयईं बाबा उथो उन खां माफ़ी वठो, न त केस में चढ़ी वेंदो, सज़ा अची वेंदव. असां केस एॾो मज़बूत. त ॿियो केस मज़बूत जेको ठाहियो, उहो ठाहियो केस हिन हो, छाकाणि मूं ते 30,000 रुपए 35,000 रुपए जो नोटिस आयो. ऐं माना त उहो कन्विक्ट करे हिकु तरफ़ मार्शल लॉ जो ज़मानो हिकु तरफ़. आई हैड टू चैलेंज दैट and that case was prepared and that petition was prepared by Sheikh Ayaz. इन में त गॾु आहे. ॿियो हिननि जो असां रिसाल, we printed him as a great poet and showed to the world, to Sindh also, and to the world, introduced him in a way through, first of all, through this Ruwariyan. All whatever the progressive writers you find, also those were actually introduced by Ruwariyan, and they put in limelight also that now come, here is Ayaz coming, here is Tanveer Abbasi, here is Fatah Malik, here is so-and-so, 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 plenty of people, here is Jamal Abdo, here is Jamal Rind, Ghulam Rabbani Agro, here is Hamid Sindhi, short story writers. I had worked hard. Now I feel it myself, Jawar, that though this old bones now cannot further tolerate such tyranny which many people kept on putting me, and behind the bars even. For 6 months I was in prison when other professors, many other people, they were blamed कि भाई हमने बांग्लादेश के नारे लगाए हैं, ये किया वो किया. बहरहाल, it was absolutely false. Then court honorably acquitted us. So 6 months, and in the martial law days, summary military court trial के बाबा इनको शूट कर दें, शूट कयो हिननि खे. that was 1970, 72. Still I remember, I feel it. The loneliness when I passed those days in a kholi, they call it. And then also, when all teachers and others वो सब मिलिया त पोइ वरी हिकिड़ो वॾे हाल में पोइ अस्पताल में रहा आहियूं 6 महीना. वी वर एक्चुअली चयूं बाबा तव्हांजो कोन्हे माफ़ी वठो. छाजी माफ़ी वठो, असां उहो कयो कुझु कोन्हे. त रूह रिहाण तंहिं हूंदे बि मां इहो ज़रूरु चवंदुसि त रूह रिहाण जेको आहे सो अॼु बि मुंहिंजे अंदरि मुंहिंजे जीअ सां जुड़ियल आहे उहो नालो रूह रिहाण. छाकाणि इट यूज़ टू बी माई बेबी एंड टुडे ऑल्सो. हाणे बि असां साल खनि थियो त असां साल 2 थियो हूंदो 2 साल त वरी कढियो रूह रिहाण. ऐं उन खां पोइ बज़्म रूह रिहाण जेका आहे सो वी आर एक्चुअली continuing with Bazme Ruh Rihan and to just keep alive the name of Ruh Rihan. डॉक्यूमेंटेड तक़रीबन सॼो मुंहिंजो रिकॉर्ड आहे ऐं उहो रूह रिहाण जे रिसालनि में बि आहे. उहे रिसाला बि जेके मतरूक थी विया आहिनि उहे मूं वटि काफ़ी मौजूदु आहिनि. ऐं उन खां अलावा हाणे जेको ॿियो मटीरियल असां सेपरेट मुतफ़रका जंहिंखे चइजे उहो असां पाण उहो आहिस्ते आहिस्ते करे उनखे जेको आहे सो उहो प्रेस वर्दी बणायो आहे. ऐं उन मां काफ़ी मटीरियल मूं अज़ीज़ मोहतरम असांजो नसीर मिर्ज़ा खे ॾिनो आहे त उनखे थोरो करे सेपरेट. छाकाणि त उन खां अलावा मुंहिंजो ख़ासि तरह सां ॼण किताब ई किताब आहिनि. ऐं मिसाल तौरु दीबाचा जेके मूं 12 सुरनि ते लिखिया ऐं उन खां अलावा सचल सरमस्त ते कलाम उहो सचल सरमस्त जो आरीअ जी शाल जेको किताब यूनिवर्सिटीअ में छपियो खपी हो ख़ैरपुर में. त हर शइ डॉक्यूमेंटेड आहे. बाक़ी ऐं उहा ॿियनि कागज़नि में बि मौजूदु आहे मैसेजिस जी सूरत में. हाणे हिन में जेको मटीरियल आहे घणो मटीरियल मुंहिंजो लिखियलु आहे. I have actually lot of material duly documented and such material you can find in my library, and also suppose Ruha Rehan, new and recent issued in last 2 years. Also we issued again Ruha Rehan, and those also possess valuable material. Uh, I- not only this is there, but plenty of things are there who are equally duly documented. And my particularly speeches in Bazme Ru Rehan, that is also a material. And 16 years you can count, for 16 years Bazme Ru Rehan is continuing. And in Ruh Rehan also it was as I said, it was a gigantic work which we did it, and in a way which was impossible. Recently, as I also told you, that somebody tried to put it in encyclopedia, that I was only investor, and Sheikh Ayaz used to edit, or Muhammad Ibrahim Joyo or Rasul Baksh Wali used to edit that. Even certain other facts are also distorted. So what I feel it, that everything has been documented in the printed or in a shape that it is praiseworthy. You can take out and take directly to the press also. Suppose Ruha Rehan editorials, Ruha Rehan as a whole, all the magazines should be again printed, as Al-Wahid was also issues of Al-Wahid number and etc. That was also got printed, Azadi number, Al-Wahid Azadi number. So I have everything in my library. You saw whatever Yabar Kazmi showed you, and this is my abode. I live here. My other family, my wife and other children live upstairs. And I don't feel seclusion. I don't feel, many people love me, no doubt. Used to love me, now also they love me. But mostly when unnecessarily, when there is no reason for any enmity. Why? So I feel it, that I have not done anything wrong with them, or even not said to them also, but I think that this enmity, जैसे असां चवंदा आहियूं खुदा कारण दुश्मनी. So this is we have everything documented, praiseworthy material. That material, this should be recorded. That material, some material of that, not even 1/4 material, that is with Nasir Mirza lying. He is actually busy or whatever it is. I want that material back, so that if he cannot get it printed, some material, one book, that was also Munjo Kalam, Munjo Alam, that has been given to Sindhi Adbi Board, and completely press-worthy material has been given. They are keeping since 2 years. They are not printing it. Kedi Sazish behind I don't know, because even whenever I used to get any post, that people, why he was vice chancellor, why he was director, why, as if I was a फालतू किस्म जो माण्हू मां साह वारो माण्हू आहियां, मां दिमाग़ वारो माण्हू आहियां. I have certain, you call it आतिशफ़िशां अंदरि मुंहिंजे आहे वॉल्कनोस आर लिविंग इन मी हू पंहिंजो कमु ॼाणे उन्हनि जो उहो ॼाणे असां पंहिंजो कमु कंदा रहंदासीं वी आर एक्चुअली I am particularly in a way in accordance to a policy that go on working and go on working and do your duty. I am doing my duty and today I feel it that whatever I have done, I am satisfied with that. As I told you that with a life, whatever I have passed, every moment of the life, every minute of the life is my memory. Because whatever you are going to do next then that उहे पल गुज़री वञनि था पर ज़ख़्म निशान छॾे वञनि था
अहिड़ा इदारा जंहिं नमूने सां सिंध शनासी या सिंध जी शख़्सियतुनि जी शनास जे लाइ क़ाइमु थियनि था ऐं उन्हनि सां शामूं मल्हाइनि था या उन जी शनास रखनि था उन्हनि अदारनि वॾी जश्न आहिनि ऐं असांजा दोस्त जेके बि हिते वेठल आहिनि मुंहिंजो उन्हनि दोस्तनि खे अर्ज़ु आहे त अहिड़नि इदारनि खे हिमथायो वञे त हू जीअं सिंध जी शनास में शख़्सियतुनि जी शनास जे लाइ अहिड़ा ॿिया बि इदारा क़ाइमु कराइनि जो हिन वक़्त में असांजे नए नस्ल जे लाइ वॾे में वॾो मसइलो जेको पैदा थियल आहे उहो आहे पंहिंजे शख़्सियतुनि जी सुञाण मां हिन वक़्तु हाणे अब्दुल कादिर पूणे जे सां वेठे इहो मसइलो ॿुधायो त असांजो नौजवान नस्ल जेको हिते मौजूदु आहे ऐं हिन स्पीकर्स फोरम जे मेंबरनि जी सूरत में कारकुननि जी सूरत में उन्हनि खे मुंहिंजो अर्ज़ु आहे ख़ासि तरह सां त जंहिं ॻाल्हि जी असां अदीबनि असां बुज़ुर्ग अदीबनि ई चओ त उन्हनि जेका ॻाल्हि जी खोट महसूसु कई आहे उहा आहे असांजो नौजवान नस्ल पढ़े नथो असांजो नौजवान नस्ल उन्हनि शख़्सियतुनि जे बारे में ॼाण नथो रखे जिन शख़्सियतुनि इहे सिंध ठाही आहे जिन शख़्सियतुनि सिंध में इल्म ऐं अदब जी रोशनी फैलाई आहे मिर्ज़ा कलीश बेग खां वठी अॼु ताईं जेके बि अदीब या जेके बि रोशन सितारा अदब जा आहिनि उन्हनि जे मुतालिक़ असांजे नए नस्ल खे केतिरे क़दुरु ॼाण आहे उन मुतालिक़ मां सम्झां थो असीं पाण चङी तरह ॻाल्हि खे सम्झूं था ऐं चङी तरह असांखे ख़बर आहे त केतिरे क़दुरु असांजे नए नस्ल खे ख़बर आहे मां इन करे इहो ज़रूरी थो सम्झां त हर तरह सां असांजो नौजवान नस्ल असांजे मिर्ज़ा कलीश बेग खां वठी अॼु ताईं जे अदीबनि उन में कहिड़ा अदीब छो न हुजनि जिन सिंध जे बारे में पंहिंजो रत ॾिनो अॼु मूंखे ॾाढी तमामु घणी ख़ुशी थी ऐं फवाद गनी सां जॾहिं मुंहिंजो इहो इहा ॻाल्हि ॿोल थी तॾहिं मूंखे ॾाढी ख़ुशी थी त सिंध जी हिकु अहम शख़्सियत जंहिं इन मैदान में सिंध शनासी जे मैदान में कमु कयो आहे मोहतरमा महताब अकबर राशिदी उन सां शाम मल्हाई आहे इहो पंहिंजी जाइ ते हिकिड़े क़िस्म जो अहिड़ो जेस्चर आहे इन सां अहिड़ो अञाण आहे ऐं इहो अहिड़ो ॾेखाव आहे जंहिंजी जेतिरी बि तारीफ़ कजे उहा थोरी आहे महताब अकबर राशिदी जो पंहिंजी जाइ ते हिकिड़ो किरदारु आहे सिंध जी शनासी में ऐं सिंध जे तारीख़ में मां हिते इहा ॻाल्हि चवंदो हलां त तारीख़ सिंध जी तारीख़ ऐं जाग्राफी उन खे जेसि ताईं असां परूड़ियो न आहे या उन खे महसूसु न कयो हथु लॻाए जेसि ताईं असां महसूसु न कयो आहे तेसि ताईं असांजे अंदरि उहे जज़्बा पैदा थी नथा सघनि मां इहो अर्ज़ु करे वञा त सिंध जी तारीख़ खे हथु लॻाए महसूसु करिणो आहे सिंध जी जाग्राफी खे हथु लॻाए महसूसु करिणो आहे उन ॻोल्हे ते तव्हां हथु रखी उन नक्शे खे तव्हां हथ सां महसूसु करे ऐं उन जे जुज़े ऐं जिस्म खे महसूसु जेसि ताईं न कंदव तेसि ताईं तव्हांजे अंदरि में उन जे लाइ वतनियत जा जज़्बा पैदा थी नथा सघनि मुंहिंजा साईं इन वतनियत जे जज़्बनि जे सिलसिले में इन वतनियत जे जज़्बनि जे सिलसिले में असां मुंहिंजा दोस्त मुंहिंजा साथी हिते वेठा आहिनि इमदाद हुसैनी आहे अब्दुल कादिर जूणे जो आहे, ज़फ़र काज़मी आहे ऐं ॿिया केतिरा दोस्त आहिनि जिन इहो अणांगो सफ़र काटियो आहे ऐं इन जुस्से ऐं जिस्म खे, सिंध जे जुस्से ऐं जिस्म खे, उन जी तारीख़ ऐं जाकाफ़ी खे पंहिंजे अंदरि महसूसु कयो आहे, हथ लाइ बि महसूसु कयो आहे ऐं दिलि जे गहराइनि सां अंदरि वञी उन में महसूसु कयो आहे त इहो जुस्सो ऐं जिस्म कीअं आहे ऐं कहिड़े नमूने सां इन जी हिफ़ाज़त थी सघे थी ऐं उन जी हिफ़ाज़त तव्हां पंहिंजे सकाफ़त जी हिफ़ाज़त सां, तव्हां पंहिंजी ॿोली जी हिफ़ाज़त सां, जेकॾहिं तव्हां ॿोली जी हिफ़ाज़त कई, पंहिंजी सकाफ़त जी हिफ़ाज़त कई त यकीन रखो त तव्हां पंहिंजे वतन, पंहिंजी सिंध जी हिफ़ाज़त कई.
That I cannot forget anything. Who is going to write my memoirs? Though I told my people that kindly treat my short stories as my memoirs, because all short stories are true short stories. शुरुआत में रोमांटिक कुछ लिखियों से बर्बाद में all stories are, and the characters of all these such stories are alive. उनमें इहो बि आहे त जेके मूवमेंट्स हुयूं त इवन MRD मूवमेंट ऑल्सो मां कंहिंखां ग़ाफ़िल न रहियुमि. And editorials particularly, I must tell you that editorials मूं जेके लिखिया, whatever I wrote those such editorials, those are remembered by the people. If anybody wants to peep in my past and my memoirs, asking also that please do write this, I said no, my short stories are my memoirs. And my short stories, the characters of those short stories are alive today also. But though some of, maybe the people, recently I wrote an article, forward in a way, of my book, that also article shows in that I have, उन्हें जो उन्मान हो त हज़रत नूह जी बेड़ीअ जो आख़िरी मुसाफ़िर. So I have written that, and in that also I have shown त मूं हाणे short story लिखणु छॾे ॾिनो आहे. ऐं उन में मूं रीज़न ॼाणायो त उहे अछा उजड़ा माण्हू, neat, clean, character वारा माण्हू, those people who used to haunt me till today, but those people are as if they are alive. थोड़े गुज़री विया हलिया, पर हाणे मां उन्हनि खे ॻोल्हियां थो, तंहिंजे करे मूं लिखणु, उहे माण्हू ई न रहिया, नौशारो ख़ाली थी वियो. नौशारो हींअर, because as I told you earlier, that because of this Nosharo Feroz, and I treated this Nosharo Feroz as Sindh and my ideal, and characters, people living in that, those were my all. Living in Haveli, living on paths, living in gardens, etc., everywhere. So I have written about it. Those poor people, pani bharan wara manu, kamathin te pani khani bharan wara manu. So many people, because I have, again, mukhe complaint na hai. No. I have actually, in a way, I feel it as if the people should study this. Many characters, they will remind them. And I think mukhe ko bhi उन्हें मूसा इंसाफ कन न कन, पर हू मुझे कैरेक्टर सां ना इंसाफ़ी था कनि. They are actually not in a way dealing my characters. They should come. They should come and tell everybody that Baba he इन किस्म जा माण्हू सिंध में रहंदा. They should. Yes, I want this. till today even, because more than 100 stories, more than other material which I have produced. And those people also, I have written many obituaries also about Tanveer, about Rashid, about Ayaz and many people. Chana Sahab and other people, Begum Chana. So why they remember? And these people were also such characters for me, and I wrote such articles also about them. And other characters which used to live, and they live in my short stories. Why don't the people remember them? Baba, that is actually, they are telling you ethics of the society, living of the people. असां चवंदा आहिनि त रीतुनि रस्मुनि सां गॾु रहणी करणी बि जेका आहे सा तहज़ीब आहे. रहणी करणी बि जेका आहे सा उन तहज़ीब आहे. खाधो पीतो बि तहज़ीब आहे. रवायतूं आहिनि, कस्टम्स आहिनि, कन्वेंशन्स आहिनि असांजूं. How you can leave Sindh in such a way that today we feel as if Sindh yatim thi hui hai, orphan. We all, the writers who used to, and today also we love Sindh, and other many writers love Sindh and feel that asanje asanje matha bajh jo hath. Because they think that way, in that way, that I'm sorry to say this, that bajh jo hath ॼण माण्हुनि जॾहिं उन्हनि कैरेक्टर्स मथां खयो त असांजे मथां पई ॼण बाज जो हथु खणी छॾियो. They don't remember Hamid Sindhi, or they don't remember A, B, C, D, D, B, D. अयाज़ आस्ते आस्ते अयाज़ कॾहिं अची थो वञे. हाणे आगा सलीम वीचारो गुज़ारे वियो. पोइ आस्ते आस्ते हर को ईअं दज़ मिटी चढ़ंदी वेंदी. असां बि हलिया वेंदासीं. हींअर त असां लाइफ, we are actually passing this phase. This may be ending phase, but passing such phase with a life also. असां में अञा हयाती जो उहो गुर आहे. Yes, but our characters, they need बाझ जो हथ. They need that they should love as I love them. If they love me, they should love my characters. पाणी भरण वारनि जा कैरेक्टर्स ऐं ॿिया केतिरा कैरेक्टर्स आहिनि जेके हुन जो मिहाणी मस्तु कैरेक्टर आहे. ऐं असांजो हीउ जेको आहे मरी त आरड़ में मरजांइ. Can you see that these stories are not in a way just to be forgotten? The history. So I am actually in a way hurt also sometimes. I feel hurt that why my characters. So therefore I said that those people have actually gone with the wind. Though they are still alive in me, still alive in my through my pen, still alive. I can write about them pages, 1,000 pages about my characters. But I want that people should remember my characters, because these are my memoirs. And this, if you do it, Yavar, then as if you are remembering me, not a single person only, but whole world is in me. As I write, at that moment also I told that enormous, at that time you said how you were inspired to this world. Enormous energy was in me to come out. Something more. And many, I don't remember even that how much I have written and where I have stopped, where I have never stopped, and maybe I will stop when I am dead. But after that, also, still I say that I will never stop writing, but short stories because deal with my characters. So at that time, how can I if I am justified and don't and do it in injustice to these people? No. Therefore, I said कि हज़रत नूह जे ॿेड़ीअ जो आख़िरी मुसाफ़िर जेको आहे इन खां पोइ हाणे कहाणियूं न लिखंदो. समटाइम्स मूंखे अचे हींअर मां नाविल आहे, हिकिड़ो नाविल आहे मां लिखां पियो, ॿियो मेमार्स बि कुझु आहिनि उहे लिखां पियो. पर छा आहे त हींअर ॼण जीअं न पछाड़ीअ जो बाहि जो शोलो विसामंदो आहे, उनजे मथां पाणी विझिबो आहे त उन ते बाहि जा शोला जेके अंदरि में ॿरिया पे पाणी विझिबो आहे त आहिस्ते 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 उहा बाहि हल्की थींदी थी वञे. ईअं मुंहिंजे अंदरि जी बाहि बि आहिस्ते आहिस्ते थधी थींदी थी वञे ऐं कंहिं ॾींहुं ईंदो त रुॻो कोयला ऐं रख हूंदी.